Okay, so we're working on part 6 on this video, and the first step that we want to do is we want to use the top and the front view to create a right side view. Okay, so the best way for me to do that is just simply copy this information over, including the circle to start off with. I'll just copy all that information over to the side. Alright. I'm going to trim this off. And let me match properties as well. And as long as you have your polar snap on, you can just slide one up to the other just like that. Okay. Then you want to zoom in and you want to work on your right side view. Okay. Now, as we talked about earlier, this is actually a cylinder, or where a cylinder plugs in. So this is just going to be a circle. Okay. And this is, we're expecting something like a U shape here. Okay, because of this where it meets the other part. So that might help you out a little bit with your projections. So I'm just going to draw some lines over real quick. And make sure your miter line is 45 degrees as always. Okay, so let me clean that up a little bit. And let's see, I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and trim this part off because I pretty much know what it looks like, and because of that I'll have midpoint snaps in the right spot. So I know that this is going to be an ellipse. Oh, a partial ellipse. Let's see. Which I can draw like that. And then just trim off the excess. And the reason I know that's going to be a partial ellipse is because if you cut a cylinder at an oblique plane, that's what you get. Okay, is an ellipse. And I'm going to trim this again, and I just want to leave that square. And inside that square, since I have some midpoint snaps now, I'm just going to draw a circle. And that'll account for the end point here. Alright, so now I've done that. Okay, and now if you're looking at this from the side, you would know that there are lines obviously that are going tangent from this ellipse to the circle. Okay. And that's what we want to do now, is just draw lines, and I'll type in tan for my snap, and I'll go tangent on this circle, and I'll type in tan again, and let's see, and for some reason my tangent is not working on the ellipse. And just for this exercise, I'm just going to use the nearest snap, okay, since the tangent doesn't appear to be working. And I'll mirror that across to the other side, okay, and that is what that object will look like from the right side. Of course, this will be visible. This part will be hidden. Okay, I'm going to just match properties. make this blue. Okay, and that's that's a good representation in the right side view. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and you can pick up in the in video 2.